In this video, we are unboxing RLC812A, the Reolink 4K PoE IP camera with person and vehicle detection, and guiding you on how to install and set it up quickly. Open the box and you'll see the RLC812A camera and all the parts provided for installation and setup. The RLC812A comes with 4K UHD resolution, empowering you to see all hard-to-see details. 4 pieces of spotlight help the camera capture full-color images for the whole night. Built-in mic and speaker enable two-way talk. Micro SD card socket for up to 256 gigabytes of local storage. Featuring on-camera person and vehicle detection, it gives you more accuracy and only sends alerts of true threats. IP66 waterproof rating brings you protection in all weather conditions, with time-lapse enabled to admire more beauty in less time. It also works with Google Assistant and Alexa to allow hands-free control of the camera. The network cable, the power port, and the reset button. The RLC812A, powered by PoE technology, is easy to power on and set up. Connect your router to a PoE switch. Then, connect the camera to the PoE switch via an Ethernet cable. To set up the camera, open the Reolink app, tap Uninitialized Device, and follow the in-app instructions to create the password and name. Initialization finished. Now, you can start to view the live feed and get person and vehicle detection alerts to keep an eye on your home. To install the RLC812A outdoors, follow the 4 easy steps. Put the mounting template on the wall. Drill holes and screw the mounting base to the wall at the indicated locations. Then, turn the adjustment knob counterclockwise to adjust the camera viewing angle. Finally, tighten the adjustment knob clockwise to lock the camera in position. To protect the camera from water intrusion, you may use the provided waterproof lid. For a better image or video performance, please avoid placing the RLC812A in locations directly facing sunlight or glass windows. Also, avoid placing it in places that are too dim or too bright, or where rain or snow can hit the camera lens directly. For more about installing and using the Reolink RLC812A PoE IP camera with person and vehicle detection, visit support.reolink.com.